So I did go to work today. I'm still not feeling that great. My stomach is just cramped up, and it's been like that for like 3 days now. So kind of sucks, but I can't just be taking so many days off of work, and I can't be ignoring my eBay shop either. So today I went to work. I did run to the little thrift store I go to on my lunch break, and I grabbed really just one thing. I'm supposed to be staying away from shirts and clothing because I'm just overloaded with it, but this was one of the brands that everybody says you're supposed to get. It's Kuhl, Kuhl. So this shirt was $5, size large. So that's like a good, I think that's probably a good median size. So I think it's only worth about $20, but I didn't even look it up in the store. I just, everybody says Kuhl. That's one of the brands to look out for. So I've never seen it before, or if I have, maybe only one or two times. So I saw that tag and I just grabbed it. So $5. I don't know, like if I had known it was only going to sell for about 20, I'm not sure if I would have bought it or not. After eBay fees and everything, let's say sell it for 20, paid 5 for it. I'm going to make like $12 or $13 on this at the most. So it's fine. I'll take it, but not that exciting. I did start listing some of these dishes over here. These are, it's vintage Nora Takai. The pattern is called Seville, Seville, and I think they may still manufacture this pattern. This is creamer and sugar bowl. I'm just about to take photos of these. I don't think most of the Nora Takai stuff is really that highly sought after, but some of this stuff does sell. Sell-through rate is abysmal, and the prices that it goes for isn't that great either. This sugar bowl and creamer probably sell for $25 or maybe $30, but I got such a good deal on this, I couldn't really pass it up. It was $2 for 53 pieces, I think. It turned out to be less than 2 cents per piece. So this two things right here cost me 4 cents. It's pretty hard to pass that up. I'll let these sit for as long as they need to sell for $25 or $30, and that would be an incredible return on investment, but who knows? Maybe it's a bad idea, but for $2, what are you going to do? So I don't really have too much else to talk about tonight. I have just a single order came in today. So this week has been possibly the worst sales week I've had in this entire year. And I'm trying not to get too anxious about it because I am trying to get this $50,000 profit goal for the year. That's like my big target, and it seems very, very unlikely that I'm going to get that unless things really, really pick up in December. And I suspect it's only going to be like the first week or two of December, and then it's going to be Christmas season, too close to Christmas for people to be buying stuff. So I'm not counting on getting that 50 grand this year, but I still have my fingers crossed that it's possible. It's fine if it doesn't happen. It's just basically an arbitrary number that I picked, and I was hoping to get that amount just so I could feel like I was good at guessing. So that's basically it. So yeah, it seems very unlikely. Today we're gonna make like probably less than $10 profit on just a single item. So let's go pack that up and then go to bed and try to get a good night's sleep, and hopefully we'll be feeling better. Hopefully I'll be feeling better in the morning. So here we go. Okay, so like I said, just one order. It's this deck of cards. This is from the Pink Summer Carnival Tour 2024. The singer Pink. I don't know any songs. I can't tell you a hit song or anything, but popular singer. I found this at the Goodwill. I'm pretty sure it was part of a VIP ticket package. If you were attending the concert, you could buy tickets and then you would get these other goods. And I don't remember what else came with it, but this was just one of the things that came in the package. I looked it up in February when I got these cards. I only paid $1 for them at the Goodwill, like I said, and all the way back in February. So quite a long time ago, but not outrageously long. So I wrapped this in a little cardboard sleeve, and I'm just gonna put it in this bubble mailer, and we're just gonna call it done at that. cut a little more of this off. This only sold for $11.69 plus actually charged quite a lot on shipping. So looks like I charged over $7 flat rate shipping. So we should probably, we might even out. We might, this might cash out profit wise at just about the same amount as the sale price. So we'll see. I'm going to buy the, I'm going to buy the label for this right now and then come back and tell you exactly how much profit we made. And I think it's going to be about $11.50. So let's see. Okay, that's it. Just one package. It turned out to be a little less than I thought, $10.07. So that's the total profit for today. It is only 10 o'clock, so we could get some more orders before the end of the day at 2 a.m., but I'm not counting on that. Something going on this week. I've had like several $30 profit days, which I'm used to more like $200. So I am disappointed in what's been going on this week, and I don't want to speculate on what's going on. So we'll call it a night tonight, and then hopefully tomorrow will be a little bit more exciting, and we'll have another video where we have a big stack of orders going out. So thanks for watching. We'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.